रणा बाबू सुप्रभातम। नमस्कार। आज आम योग प्रोटोकॉल अनुजाई करवा आम आउ 4 मिनिट अपेक्षा करवा 7:05 रे आरंभ करवा। अनन्या आर यू देयर? अनन्या?
Yes, sir, I am present. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Now all of you switch on your camera. Okay. Let me. All of you switch on your camera. Yes. Pratyasha, switch on your camera. Pratyasha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So switch on your camera. Soumya Sundar, Asmita, Pratyasha, Rojismita, Sai Siddharth, Sumana, Pratideepa, Ankita, Shubham, Devajyoti, Shyam Sudha, Astarani, Sulagna, Shyam Sudha, Shreya, Shelly, Swikriti, Anushka, Harshita, Satyajit has switched on, Kiran, Mitali, Sumana, Shelly, what happened? Shreya, Shelly, Swikriti, switch on your camera. Pratyasha, what happened? Is there any problem in your Asmita?
Sir, actually, I have switched on my camera, but I'm not visible. In my icon, I can't see myself.
Okay. So, Pratideepa, Manoranjan, Sai Siddharth, all of you switch on your video camera. This looks so nice. So actually you should do the asanas and all these things with this camera on. So that will give a still. Shyam Sudha, are you there? Shreya? Okay, let me take a print screen. All of you look. Shyam Sudha, are you there? Shyam Sudha, are you able to hear me? If yes, then switch on your video camera. Shreya, Ankit, Mitali, we have got 1 minute to go. Just wait. Okay. Now let me present my screen.
Hello.
Is there option for grid? Actually, anybody who knows more than this Google Meet, suppose I am actually pinning our yoga sir. Suppose I want to pin Ananya and yoga sir together. Is it possible? Anybody who knows? अरे किसको पता है क्या? सपोज मैंने अभी ये राणा सर को पिन किया। तो आपने स्क्रीन में योगा सर को देख रहे हो। सपोज आई वांट टू पिन टू अनन्या एंड योगा सर, इज इट पॉसिबल? ये वेबएक्स में होता है, ग्रिड में यू कैन लेट मी फाइंड आउट non-captions। अर्पिता पटनायक है। Okay, now we'll start। Okay, we can start। राणा बाबू आरंभ कर दवा।
वॉइस ठीक है सारा जी?
Voice, how is the voice? Are you able to listen to yoga sir? ଆଉ ଥରେ कहूँ योगा प्रोटोकॉल विषय रे बोले ऑटोमेटिकली पिला माने जानबे।
हाँ। आज एक कार्यक्रम अच्छे नियम
आपन वॉइस टा राणा बाबू वॉइस टा क्लियर आसुनी।
नहीं। हेलो।
हाँ, कैमरा भी टिके फोकस रे रखुन। मैसेज ने सेकंड अछि
रेडी?
हैं
तो साउंड
नहीं आसे तू गाना कोई नहीं आते आला डिस्टर्ब करबे।
सर साउंड ठीक है बे?
आज्ञा
साउंड ठीक है?
हां ठीक আছে।
सर ready? Now come to program. Sit comfortably on your mat. Straight. Close your eyes gently. Slow and deep breathing, soundless. Be ready yourself. Be relaxed yourself. Let us start the session with prayer. Namaskar Mudra. Join your palms. Chant Omkar. Rirayate.
lead and follow prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvisavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palm. Have a nice massage to your whole face and relax yourself. Let us have a practice as per the direction of Government of India, Yoga Protocol. Follow me and go to the step by step and try to enjoy the practice for the fitness of physical, mental, emotional level. Each and every practice having effect on body. Let us start the practice. First, sit comfortably. Neck movement. Slowly head up and down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Next, twist. Slowly twist to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, extreme right, so that you can feel the stretching on neck region. Allow the feelings during the practice. Twist, twist, right, left, right, left. Come to the middle. Stop the practice. Relax your neck. Feel light and fresh. The next practice, neck movement side. Slowly turn to the right. Come to the middle. Left, middle, right, up, left, up, 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 right, up, left, stop, relax. The next practice, rotation. Slowly bend forward, move to the right, go back, come to the left and front. This is one round. Continue more. 9 rounds, total 10 rounds. Slowly moving. Feel the movement. Allow the feelings. 2, 3. Slowly do it. 4. With feelings, with relax. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to the reverse way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Relax. Somebody may feel that giddiness or feeling. It's indicate your low BP or acidic problem. If you continue the practice, you may overcome from this problem. Now slowly rub your palm. Nicely massage your whole face and neck. Relax. Now slowly come to standing posture. Standing practice. The practice name is twisting, Patichalana, legs apart, legs apart. Keep your palm in front of your chest. Slowly twist to the right, return, left, return, right, return, left, return, right, return, twist, return while twist, breathe out, return, breathe out and twist, return, twist, return, twist, return, twist, return, twist. Each side turn round, allow the movements, feel the movements, the upper parts of the body, feel the beautiful twist during the practice, aware on your practice, relax, do it, twist, 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 and slow, stop, relax. Movement, bring your hands and relax. Relax your waist, shoulder joint, hands and fingers. Feel light and press. The next practice, knee, sit up, hands forward. Slowly breathe out and sit. Breathe in up, breathe out, sit and forwards your hands. Heels up, stand, sit on your toes and slowly up. Breathe out, sit. Breathe in up, breathe out, sit. Breathe in up, breathe out, sit. Breathe in up, continue up to 10 rounds. Breathe out and breathe in. Breathe out and breathe in. Breathe out, in. Breathe out, sit. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, sit. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, sit. Breathe in, up. Relax. Loosen your hands. Free your mind. Relax, relax. Feel the relaxation. Allow the feelings. Yes, very good. The next practice, Tadasana. Heels together, keep your feet viscera, interlock your fingers and keep on your head. Slowly hands up, heels up, stand on the toes, down, slowly up, down. Inhale up, full stretch up, the whole upper part of body, down. Inhale up, down. Continue more 5 rounds, up, down. Inhale 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 up, down, and relax. Loosen your hands, free your hands, relax, relax, relax. बहुत बढ़िया. सुंदर practice. The next practice, balancing practice, Vrikshasana. It gives the tremendous mind power. You may focus on one point, develop your concentration. From right side, Vrikshasana. From right side, slowly lift your right leg up, fixed just above your knee joint. 2, slowly hands up, touch your both palm, and hands should be straight. Maintain, maintain, up to 10, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Slowly, right leg down. Very good. Now, relax. Same practice. Left side. Slowly lift your left leg up. 2, hands up. Yes, maintain. Up to 10, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Left leg down. And relax. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Few moments, loosen your hands and relax. Relax, relax. The next practice. Follow me. Padahastasana. Forward bending, back stretching. Slowly hands up with inhalation. Hatha Purkushva. Slowly bend forward, breathe out. If possible, touch your palms on the ground by the side of your feet. Keep your palm. Try to touch the forehead with your knee. Allow the back stretch. Feel the stretching. Maintain, maintain with a normal breathing. Feel the heaviness around the head due to the more and more blood circulation towards the head region. It is very easy to flow from the heart to the head. So revitalize technique to the brain. Slowly return, inhale and up. And exhale and down. Relax. Allow the feelings, blood rushing down from the head region. Feel light and press around the head. Relax, relax, relax. The next practice, Ardha Chakrasana. Keep your legs together. One, keep your palms on waist, catch hold the waist. If possible, all the fingers should be forward, keeping on waist. And inhale, slowly bend back. Take your own capacity. And maintain with normal breathing. Slowly return. Hands down. And relax. बहुत बढ़िया practice for waist. Relax, relax, relax. Now slowly come to sitting posture. Sit on your mat with leg straight position. Free your hands, loosen your legs. Loosen your legs. Relax, relax. The next practice, come to the position. Bhadrasana. Catch hold your interlock your fingers. Catch hold your feet. Keep your back straight. Do it up, down, butterfly like this. Allow the movements. Feel the movements. Stop the practice. Relax. Release your legs. And free your hands. Loosen your legs and relax, relax, relax. The next practice, join your legs together. Keep your palms by the side of your buttock. Vajrasana. Hold the right leg. And sit on your heels. Do left leg. Hold it. Sit on Vajrasana. Next practice, Ustrasana. Slowly stand on the knee. Mark the technique. Catch hold the right heel and the left heel. It is complete Ustrasana. Maintain, maintain. Normal breathing. Slowly return. Next, come to Ardha Ustrasana. Keep your palm on waist. Inhale and bend back. This is our Ardha Ustrasana. The previous practice is Purna Ustrasana. Now it is Ardha Ustrasana. Return. The same benefit for waist. Sit on Vajrasana. Yes, good. Now come to Sasankasana. Slowly hands up. Palm facing forward. Slowly bend forward. Touch your palms on the ground and touch your forehead on the ground. It is Sasankasana. For mental relaxation, for mind power. Maintain with a normal breathing in this posture. Verify. Slow, deep breathing, no jerk, no speed. Try to feel your heart resting on your left knee. Slowly return, slowly hands up, hands down, and relax. You may आराम से. The next practice, join your leg together. Keep your palm by the side of your buttock. Bakrasana. Slowly fold your right leg. 1, 2. Take your left hand outside and catch hold of the left feet, right feet, and slowly twist to the right. Next posture, Bakrasana. Your thigh and abdomen feel the pressure. Feel the pressure of thigh on your abdomen. It's very good practice for your lower abdomen. Maintain, maintain. Release left hand and release your right leg. Relax. Same practice. Left side. 1, hold the left leg. 2, take your right hand and catch hold the feet and slowly twist to the left. Maintain. Deep breathing. Maintain deep breathing. Feel the beautiful twist the whole lower region. That is lower abdomen. Allow the feeling. Your thigh pressure on lower abdomen. Release your right hand. Release the left leg. Relax. Free movement. Free movement. Free movement. Now slowly come to Makarasana. Lie on your abdomen. Do like this. Maintain in this posture for a while. Slow, deep breathing. Good for the neck. Cervical spondylitis. Allow the stretching on neck. Be aware yourself. Be relaxed yourself. Release your hands. Cross your hand in the cross and keep your head. This is complete relaxation posture on tone. Good for insomnia. Good for hypertension. Deep relax. The next, Bhujangasana. Keep your palms by the side of your chest. All the fingers should be forward with position. Slowly inhale and up. Breathe out and down. Inhale and up. Out, down. Inhale up, down. Initially, do 5 round breathing exercise. Bhujangasana breathing. For exhale up, backbone. Slowly up, down. Next, slowly up and maintain on this posture with normal breathing. Feel the curve of your backbone and slowly look up. Maintain, maintain. Down and relax. Release your hands. Come to Makarasana. Deeply relax. The next practice, Salvasana, Mata technique, and follow the techniques. Adopt Adi Mudra. Now, keep your fist palm under the thigh. Alternate leg, right leg first. Slowly raise your right leg up. Knees are straight. Maintain up to 5 deep breath. Feel the stretch up. Allow the pressure on your pelvic. Down. Same to the left. Slowly up. Maintain. Knees should be straight. More up. Down. Now, both legs. Inhale and up. Knee straight. Up. More, more. Maintain. Slowly down. Release your hand and relax. आराम से. Makarasana. Legs apart and cross your hand on the cusp and keep your head. Relax your whole lower region. Relax your back muscles, shoulder joint, hands and fingers. Feel the relaxation. Now slowly come to Savasana. Lie on your back. Slowly turn. Yes, good. Relax the whole body. Relax your whole body for the next practice. Slowly join your legs together. Hands closer the body. Hold the both knees, Setu Bandhasana. Ready? Hold it. Slowly inhale and trunk up. More up. Down. Inhale up. Initially do 5 breath. Then maintain. Inhale up. Down. Inhale up. Down. Inhale up. and maintain. Fill the gap in between your feet and shoulder belt. Complete the trunk up. Allow the feelings, whole pelvic region getting stretched. Maintain. Slowly down. Stretch out your legs. Lie. Release your legs. Release your legs and relax. The next practice, Pavan Muktasana. Join your legs together. Fold the both knee. Touch the knee joint with your both hands. Swing your body up, rock and roll, up, down, up, down. Inhale up, next. Inhale up. Very good practice for backbone and right abdomen. Good for very slowly, rhythmically. Allow the feelings, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Relax. Let your heart and free from the body. Relax the whole body. Be ready for Savasana. Allow the feelings. Your whole body become relaxed on the ground. From the toes to the head region. Complete. Smiling, no tension in the mind, no tension in the body. Allow the feeling, your whole body become relaxed. Your whole body completely relaxed. Feel light and fresh. Feel energetic and relaxed. Feel the free flow of air through both nostrils. No jerks, no speed, no break. Allow the feeling. Your lungs become completely worked out. Feel the Bharyamatra breathe. Keep a smiling face. Keep a smiling face. Feel the relaxation throughout the body. Feel the relaxation throughout the body. From the deep relaxation, now slowly keep your both palm on your chest. Be aware yourself Feel the heartbeat on your left palm. Develop your internal. Slowly rub your palms. Have a nice massage to your whole face and relax. Turn to the left. Take right hand support on the ground and come to sitting posture. Sit comfortably. As earlier you know, the Kapalbhati is passive inhalation and active as a throat muscle. It is abdominal breathing, chest vertical stand, forcefully exhalation and passive inhalation. Dhyan mudra, keep it. Start. Close your eyes and do the practice. Feel the movement of your abdomen. Continue up to 1 minute. Minimum 60 to 80 stroke. It is a rapid breathing, forcefully exhalation. It is a cleansing of your lungs technique, cleansing technique of your lungs. Feel the beautiful movements of breath forcefully. It's cleanse your whole lungs and reactivate the whole each and every parts of your lungs. Slow, slow. Stop the practice. Sit calm and quietly. Close your eyes. Allow the feelings. Your whole body become relaxed. Feel light and fresh. Smiling face. Your breath become deeper and deeper, longer and longer. Try to feel the breathing better. The next practice, balancing pranayama, Anulom Vilom or Nadi Sudhan pranayam. Adapt Nasika mudra. Close right nostril. Start. Left inhalation. Close the left and right exhalation. Inhale slowly through right and exhale completely through left. It is one round. Again, continue for second round. Left inhalation. Right exhalation. Again, right inhalation. Left exhalation. Complete second round. Continue up to 9 rounds, more 7 rounds. Allow the feelings, feel the capacity of the lungs. Inhale fully. And exhale completely. Feel the expansion and contraction of your lungs. Fill up her lower abdomen, middle chest, and shoulder up. Chest down, shoulder down. Feel the contraction of chest, abdomen sucked in. This is a complete full yogic breathing. Allow the feelings. Inhale fully. Expand your lower lungs, up middle lungs, and upper lungs. And exhale completely. Feel the shoulder down. Feel the chest become normal position and abdomen forcing. Allow and continue up to 9 rounds. Count yourself. After 9 rounds, stop the practice. The next practice, Brahmari. Close the ear, index finger and forehead, 3 fingers and eyes, 5 rounds. Inhale fully. Stop the practice. Feel the vibration up around the head. Allow the feelings of Brahmari Pranayama vibration. Sit calm and quietly for a while for meditation. Concentrate the mind on your tip of the nose. While inhale, try to feel the cool air entering to the lungs and warm air is come out from your lungs through the nostril. Feel the free flow of air. During the inhalation, mentally chant Om and feel the vibration of Om around of your body. And while exhale, feel the vibration of Om, chant Om. On each and every breath, during the inhalation and exhalation, mentally chant Om. No external sound. And try to feel the vibration of Om during the inhalation and exhalation. Allow the feelings around of your body There is a vibration of Om only. Feel calm and quiet. Feel the silence. Silence is the source of peace. Enjoy the silence. Silence is the source of realization. Merge with the silence. Silence leads to samadhi. शांत भाव, शांत भाव, शांत भाव. From the deep ocean of silence, join your palms together. Let us close the session with prayers, Shanti Mantra, Veda Patha. For well-being of whole universe. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pasyantu. Ma kaschid dukhavag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Surrender to yourself to Almighty and feel the blessings. Slowly rub your palm. Have a nice massage to your whole face and relax yourself. Massage your whole body from the top of the head to top of the toes. Feel the light and press and relax. Thank you. This was for today. Namaskar.
नमस्कार प्रणाम बाबू
Again.
ये आज आमर 12 रे अच्छी सेटा अपन देख लेंगे एजेंडा
हाँ देखी जाए
हाँ सेटा माने ये से आवाहन तापर शांति पाठ शेष रे आपनर
आरंभ रे अछि आज्ञा
आरंभ रे टिके आ शेष बेले शांति पाठ माने 12 रे आरंभ हवा आ 1 रे सरवा आपण वो लिंक टा पठे देमे मय
हाँ
हां
अजी ठीक हैला तो आज्ञा सब
एकदम बढ़िया हैला एटा रेकॉर्ड भी हे कि YouTube रे रही जिबा
हाँ
हां
आ पिला माने कौन
पिला माने तापर अनन्या सब सिखिल तो आजी अनन्या
Yes, sir.
हाँ केड़ा सब करिवो रोजी स्मिता में जते सब अच्छा माने आ परे भी चलिवो तमे आरंभ करिवो ताले रणा बंद करिवा हाउ धन्यवाद थैंक यू सो टुमारो विल मीट Stop presenting. Stop recording.